Hey y'all, it's CG. So, you guys all know that watch my channel regularly. If you don't, you're going to learn. I have rheumatoid arthritis. Since I moved to Memphis, I'm way off. I'm well over a month past when I should have had my next treatment. And I've been kind of struggling. But I was watching Big Family Homestead. It's an awesome channel, by the way. I will leave a link below for you guys. You go check him out. But he did a video talking about Moringa and how it's helped with his arthritis. I've seen lots of testimonies and stories from lots of others too. So I'm going to give it a try. So what I did was I bought some capsules. I'm going to use a filler here, but I bought some capsules. These are just regular old gel capsules. And I bought some Moringa powder. See? These were at the suggestion of Big Bear, listen to me. Big Family Homestead, Brad, sorry. These were the links that he provides in his video, and I will put a little right up here or over here. I don't know what side it's going to show up on, but one of them sides. Little iCard for you. You can check out his video. And the links are in his video in the description. So I will put that up there for you guys. You can get the same things I got. And I also got this little setup here, which is a capsule filling machine. And, you know, I could do it Vanna White style. Price is Right. With this lovely, three-sided, compartmentalized capsule filling system. Yeah, right. Oh, and a handy-dandy scraper. So, what I thought I'd do, I'm going to show you the first time using this. It's actually the second fill for me. I did one just to figure it all out, so I made sure I give you guys accurate directions. So I'm going to fill another set for you guys and show you how to fill the capsules. And what I thought I'd do is a weekly vlog. Once a week, coming out on Saturdays. Just my journey through here. And I'm told it can take a week or two before you really start noticing the effects of it. So I thought I'd do a 30-day weekly vlog. So that's 4 in a row. That takes me through the first month. And to let you guys know how it works for me and what's going on. So let's get started. The first thing I have to do is separate the capsules. Now you can buy capsules that are already separated. They cost a little bit more. And for the price that it costs more to sit here and just separate capsules. There's a top and a bottom. You just pull the tops off. See? So, tops go in one bowl, bottom's in the other. So, give me just a minute. Let me get some of these capsules separated, and I will be right back. Okay, I got the capsules separated. I have caps in one bowl, bottoms in another. So, I'm going to point the camera down, and I'm going to show you the different components and the steps to do this. Okay? Oops. Guys, there you go. I think y'all can see that. So, this is the machine. This is a tamper. The little rods on them. This is an alignment plate. This is a middle plate. Got these little grooves on one side, which is going to come in handy later. This is a cap plate. This is what puts the caps on. This is the base plate. And as you can see, I just did some of these, so it's already got powder on it. So you set your base plate down, and you put your alignment tray on top. It's like that. There's these little holes right here, and they line up with these screws to kind of hold it in place. Okay. You put a bunch of your bottoms in here. Now, this one is 64 capsules. They make them 100 capsules easy, and these are size 0 capsules, by the way. So you put a bunch of capsules, bases in here. You want to cover this side. Trust me from experience. Cover this side, otherwise, when you go to shaking, y'all imagine, right? Yeah. So, cover it up, and you're just going to kind of shake it around a little bit. And those capsules will start dropping in the holes. Ideally, they'll drop in face up, but I guarantee you some won't. You may even miss a one or two. But you shake it around a little bit. You're going to dump out the excess. And yeah, some of them did go in upside down, but we're going to fix that. So, once you get all the excess out, you're going to lift the alignment plate. I'm just going to kind of look in here. If you push down just a little bit, this is spring-loaded. you can see there are a few of them, and I don't know how well it's going to show on camera, but there are a few that fed the wrong way. I'm just going to get them flipped back over the right way. And my hands are a little slippery because I got powder all over them. And then you get one like that that just goes off flying and does its own thing. So we'll just grab another one out of the bowl and replace it. And you just want to double check. Make sure all of the holes are filled. There are some that missed. You can do this manually, by the way. You know, but I got to put just a couple in here. Andy is in the background messing with me, y'all. So if I start making stupid faces, y'all will know why. Because he's messing with me. So, I think I got one. Oops, nope, there's one more. Got one in every slot. No, Andy's going. No. We kind of had a lot of fun doing the first one, though. We had a little bit of a learning curve, but we got it. So, there we go. Got one in every slot. Okay, push them down flat. You're going to take your powder, whatever it is you're filling. In this case, for me, Moringa. Really glad y'all can't see my face right now. Just going to put some of the powder on top. You want something underneath here to catch the extra powder because you don't want to waste any of it. Handy dandy scraper comes with your little kit. You're just going to move this powder back and forth across the board. Filling up the holes. And it did say on one of the videos that I watched, you may have to do this a couple times, and you will, which is cool. So we're going to start pushing this down. This is at the point where I wish I knew how to speed up individual sections of the video and not just the whole damn video. And I don't know how to do that, so y'all are just stuck here watching me do this. I'm sorry. So, once you got it, what looks like level and it looks like they're all filled. So that one on the corner right there. Gonna scrape off the excess. Then you have this handy dandy tamper. See the little prongs? You set it right on top. Kind of light. You don't need to do much. Just kind of light. And you can see we need more powder. So I'm going to do this one more time, maybe twice, until I get all these filled, and I will be back. Okay, so I got this filled. I did tamp it twice more, but one thing when you're tamping, don't like raw push down on it because you're just going to push a bunch of it back out. Just real light, set it on there, and I just lightly touch it. So I did it twice more. They are now full. So now you're going to set this aside for a minute. And you need this plate, which goes this way. I'm asking Andy because we had to figure this out before. And then this plate, or no, just this one.
Just that.
Just this one. See, Andy has to help me with these things. It also has the little holes. You just kind of line them up. Line them up. And we're going to put caps in here this time. And same process. Put a bunch of caps. Hold it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your capsules. Shake your capsules. Oops, we got to get a couple of bottoms in there. We don't need them. It's like that game. You remember when you were kids and you had the little marbles and the little thing, and you'd have to turn it this way and turn it that way and get all the marbles to fall in the little slots? That's what it reminds me of. Okay. I think we got most of them, so I'm going to dump the extra back in here. I'm going to pick this up. And again, you're going to get some that go in upside down or right side up in this case. And I will tell you, when you got powder on your hands, these things are slippery. So if you don't have nails, you might want to grab some tweezers or something that you can pick them up with. But you want these all with the opening facing up. And I think I'm only missing a couple. You do want to check, make sure, be prepared to pick up capsule tops and bottoms off the floor, just saying. Make sure that you got one in every slot. I probably could have shook it a little more and got some of these. Now, a couple of the videos that I did watch said that it's why they prefer colored capsules, like the blue and green, because they can physically see this as they're shaking to see if one is in there. It's a little harder to see with the clear, but really doesn't, as you can see, take that long. So now that you got all of these in here, when this plate goes on, now this plate has these little notches. I don't know if you guys can see these two little notches. Those need to be facing up, okay? They go right on top, wiggle them down over. So you got them like this. Carefully pick this up. Don't drop it or let it go. Bring your base plate back over. Hold on to this. Flip it. And set it right on top. Align it with the screws. And you push. Did you hear some of those pop? Sometimes they pop, sometimes they don't. I've noticed that. A couple of them popped, a couple of didn't. But make sure you go all the way around. Do this several times, because you really want to make sure you get all those caps set. Some of the videos I've watched, they really pop, 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 pop. Mine only do a couple, but... And if we did it right... I'm going to get a bowl over here. And as you can see, I already have a few in here from the first batch. Pop this little plate off right here. Yeah, flip it. And doesn't take but just a second to get all those capsules out. And there you go. And now I have capsules to go ready-made. So that's the process. I'm sorry about the lighting behind me. I didn't think about the window right behind me. So I have these capsules. I'm going to get a medicine bottle that I have, an old one. I'm going to store them in there, and I'm going to take them. I can't really find anywhere that says how many a day you should take. Sorry, guys. Andy's being goofy. Excuse me. How many a day you should take. So what Andy and I talked about it, and what we think others have done, I'm going to do 2 a day, or 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. So 4 capsules a day. So 2 trays of this will take me about a month. This isn't too expensive, you guys, really. This was, I think, $8. And as you can see, to make a month's worth, I barely even put a dent in this can. I'm figuring this is probably about 3 months worth at least, okay, for $8. Cheap, especially as far as supplements go. The capsules were $7.90 something a bag for a bag of 1,000. And the machine is the most expensive investment you'll do the very first time. The machine was 18 something, right at 20 bucks. But it's not an expense you have to spend again. You only got to do it once. So there you go. So I'm going to start taking these today. I'll take my first 2. In fact, I had Andy bring me a glass of milk. So here we go. And I will take 2 more this evening before bed. And I will see you guys in a week, and we'll let you know how the first week went. And like I said, I'm told from the reviews that it can take 1 to 2 weeks to really start noticing the differences. So I hope you guys come back and come along on this journey with me. We're going to call it the Moringa Journey, month 1. So have a great day. Thanks for watching, you guys. And I'll see you in a week. Bye, guys.